Good morning, this is Dirk Ziegler, Ziegler Insurance and Financial Services, coming to you today to give you a quick little tidbit on a question that we continuously get asked, but especially during the holiday season. Dirk, we're gonna rent a car while we're out traveling, am I covered? And I always tell them, well, yes, you are covered, depending on the coverage on your policy, so always check with your agent. But typically, if you go and rent a car, the rental car company is gonna offer you insurance. And most everybody says, no, but I don't want it, I don't want it, I don't want it. And I'll be honest, most of the time, it's gonna be a smart move, but there are some things to keep in mind. If you do use the rental car insurance companies or their insurance, there typically is a $0 deductible. So that's a good thing. You don't have to pay any out-of-pocket money if you're in an accident. The second thing is that you have to keep in mind, if that car is in an accident and they take that car out of use, they can come back after you as the at-fault driver for what's called loss of income. So they're not able to rent that car for a week or two. They may come back after you and try to go after that amount of money from you. And there's nothing in insurance that's going to cover that. So if you use the rental car insurance company's insurance, that typically is covered and you won't have to worry about that. Now on the flip side, if you use your own insurance, I always say, go and check with your insurance agent, make sure you're properly covered, or that the coverages are there if you do rent a car. So as an example, typically, North America, you're going to be covered, including, so you have the United States and Canada, you can have Alaska, Hawaii, things, or a place that's not covered is Mexico. If you're going to be traveling to Mexico, get your own Mexican insurance. We can talk to you about that, but you absolutely want to have separate insurance for that. When it comes time for your insurance on the rental car, if you are in an accident, you would be responsible for the deductible. So if you have full coverage on your vehicle, meaning you have liability, but you also have comprehensive and collision, and you're in an accident, you would be responsible to pay that deductible out of pocket in order to get the rental car fixed. Again, they still can come back after you for that loss of business, or loss of income, I should say. It does still count against you. Even though you're driving another car, someone else's car, that accident would still count against you. So make sure that you understand that just, you're going to see the points on your record long term. So I hope this helps you answer a few questions if you're going to be traveling over the holiday season or for any time that you're using a rental car. Thank you for tuning in, and everybody go out and have a great day.